Today I am reviewing the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is one of the most versatile countertop ovens you can find today, combining the power of multiple kitchen appliances into a single, stylish device. Crafted with brushed stainless steel, this oven isn't just about looks, it's built to last, with a solid design that complements any modern kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, a home cook, or a culinary enthusiast, this oven is designed to simplify your cooking while delivering professional quality results every time. At the heart of the oven is Breville's Element IQ system, featuring 5 independent quartz heating elements. These elements work together intelligently to direct heat precisely where and when it's needed. The oven's smart algorithms, combined with digital PID temperature control, eliminate cold spots and ensure consistent, even cooking. This means whether you're roasting a chicken, baking bread, or making a delicate souffle, every dish comes out perfectly cooked from edge to edge. The Element IQ system also adjusts automatically for different cooking modes, so you don't have to constantly monitor or guess. This is smart cooking at its finest. One of the standout features of this oven is its air fry and super convection capabilities. The oven's 2-speed convection fan, which includes a super convection mode, creates a high volume of circulating hot air. This ensures faster cooking and crispy, golden results every time. Air frying family favorites like French fries or chicken wings is easy, with that perfect crunch without the extra oil. And if you enjoy healthy snacks, the oven's dehydrate function lets you prepare up to 4 trays of dried fruits, vegetables, or jerky at once, all evenly cooked. This is something very few countertop ovens offer, and it adds incredible versatility to your cooking. The Breville BOV900BSS truly replaces multiple kitchen appliances with its 13 cooking functions. These include toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. Essentially, this one oven can handle anything from your morning toast to a full holiday turkey dinner. Speaking of size, the oven boasts an extra-large interior measuring 16 by 13.5 by 7 inches. That's enough room to cook 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or even a 5-quart Dutch oven, making it perfect for large families or dinner parties. It can also accommodate standard 9 by 13 pans and 12-cup muffin trays, which adds to its flexibility. For ease of use, the oven comes with a bright LCD display that shows preheat status, cooking mode, and countdown timer. The interior oven light makes it simple to check on your food without opening the door and losing heat. The included accessories, such as the 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, enamel roasting pan, broil rack, and mesh basket for air frying or dehydrating, make it easy to get started right out of the box. Beyond functionality, the oven is designed with convenience in mind. Its super convection technology not only speeds up cooking by up to 30%, but also ensures even heat distribution, so you never have to worry about unevenly cooked meals. The large capacity and multi-tray dehydrating feature are perfect for meal prep, snacks, and even healthy homemade treats for kids. The oven is powered by 1800 watts, offering consistent heat and reliable performance. And it comes with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in your investment. Whether you're baking, roasting, air frying, or dehydrating, this oven delivers consistent, precise, and delicious results every time. In conclusion, the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is more than just an oven. It's a complete kitchen solution. With smart technology, multiple cooking modes, a large interior, air frying and dehydrating capabilities, and professional precision, it is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Whether you are preparing everyday meals, entertaining guests, or experimenting with new recipes, this smart oven ensures your food is cooked perfectly, efficiently, and effortlessly. If you want a single appliance that replaces multiple gadgets, saves space, and consistently delivers professional quality results, the Breville BOV900BSS is an absolute must-have for your kitchen.